Dear learners, in this video we will discuss how to install and use the Google Meet Android app for conducting the meetings online. So let's start with installation. So just click on the Play Store, just type the keyword Google Meet. So it will display the Google Meet app which is created by the Google LLC. So just click on the install button. So I have already installed, so you just show the open button. So just click on the open. So whenever it opens, by default it is having the two options, that is to disable the mic and to disable the camera. So here just log in with your Gmail ID. So I have just used my Gmail ID. So just log in with your own Gmail ID, and here there are the different options on the screen, that is your microphone setting, your video setting, and just click on the new meeting or meeting code. So if you want to create the new meeting, then you can just click on the new meeting. So it will show the meeting code, so you can share the meeting code with anybody. So with the help of this, you can share the code through the WhatsApp or Gmail, or just copy the code and manually send, or you can also send through the message and so on. So whatever the media you want to use, you can use for sharing the code with others. So here first option, that is how many people that can be connected to your Google Meet. Second is the chat box, so you can send the message to the everyone. So I just send hi. Again it just show the code, so from here also you can share your meeting code. Again here these are the three options, so you can either enable or disable the microphone, you can disable the video, or if you want to end the meeting, then you can just click on the red phone icon, so it just disconnect the meeting. So to disable the voice, you can just click on the speaker or phone or audio off or cancel. Again here there are the different options, so switch the camera on, turn on the captions, or present the screen. So suppose if you want to share your screen to the participant, then you just click on the present screen. So you just start whatever the screen you have, you just start that screen to the participants which are connected through the meeting. So I just stop the presenting. So in this way, these are the different options that can be used inside the Google Meet. So if anybody connect or send the request for the connection, then just click on the allow, so that he will connect to your Google Meet. Suppose if you want to have the Google Meet code, then you just click on the Google Meet code, and here you can put the Google Meet code, so that by just click on the join meeting, you can join the meeting whichever created by the others. So in this way you can either create the new meeting or you can join the meeting through the Google Meet app. Thank you.